Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you the makeup brush that I bought at my local Dollar Tree. With that being said, let's get started. So if you follow me here on YouTube or on TikTok or even on Instagram, you would have seen my stories. And in my stories or shorts, whatever you want to call it, I told you guys to run and not walk to Dollar Tree because I found this at Dollar Tree. I mean, I found this gem, let's say, at Dollar Tree, and I was just like, wait, what? I did a double take. I was like, what's going on? So these are makeup brushes. It's called Abracadabra Femme Makeup Brushes, the Magical Brush Set by Taste Beauty. Yes, you heard that right, by Taste Beauty. So these brushes, depending on where you try to purchase them from, range from $14 up to $30. And I found it at Dollar Tree for $125, so I bought it. Well, it has these tabbies. I don't like these tabbies. I don't want to rip the box, but I'm going to have to. It states that there's a powder brush, a foundation brush, a round shadow brush, an angle shadow brush, and a crease brush. These feel kind of not heavy, but sturdy. I like the noise. Look. They're so soft. Wow. These are like the Harry Potter ones, but of course they can't say Harry Potter because licensing. So let's just call them dupes. Like that. That is so cute. They're like wands. I feel like Harry Potter. Now onto the final review. The packaging is really cute. I really like it. I really like how it has like the whole kind of Harry Potter castle vibe, everything. I like how the brushes look. I like how they feel. They're comfortable. I thought that they, like this one, I thought that this one was going to be a little bit in the way of when I was applying like the blush and whatnot, but it's not. It's very comfortable to use. All of them were. They are super soft, guys, and they blend your product really well. I do have to say, out of 5, I give these a 10. I can't give a 10, but a 5 out of 5. I really do like these makeup brushes a lot. They're very nice, very cute, very unique in my opinion, and for $125, it's a good deal. So if you guys have the means and the time, go get them. I do recommend them, but if you cannot purchase them now, don't worry. Dollar Tree rotates their inventory. Sometimes they have them, sometimes they don't, and maybe you might find them later. This brings us to the end of the video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.